Hello, Randi Rain here, and I have the Taiyo Chevy Truck this time. It was also put out by Sears. I think this one was later because it's made in Singapore and not in Japan, but it's essentially the same thing as my Trans Am Firebird. It looks like the Fall Guy truck, except the Fall Guy truck is two-tone brown, and it has a big eagle emblem or something on the hood. This one has sunshine and lollipops theme going on here. Can't say I really care for that. I might come up with something else for that. I love the little top up here that opens up. So I put batteries in it, and it didn't work at first, but I think I got it working. I didn't really test it all that much, but I think it does work. I think it's probably the motor is just all gummed up. But anyway, let me get inside, get it working. This is a different circuit board than the one on the Firebird. Different ICs for sure. Different transistors that are probably for the motor. Go ahead and desolder everything. They melted this one in, and they melted that one in. This is different. Everything's above on the Firebird, everything's below here. So that means I have to undo these, and I'm pretty sure these won't matter if I don't get them back right. As long as black is black and gray is gray. Come on. All right. Here's the little switch back and forth that moves the different gear. It can come off. I've already seen some skimping here. I wonder if there's still a metal gear on here. There is on the Firebird. Oh, yep, it sure does. Yep. I do see it starting to crack right in there. Right there's a tiniest little crack starting to form on this little hub here. Barely starting. I don't see anything on this one. I wonder what all this crap is. Well, here's the steering mechanism. And if you don't know how this works, you're about to be amazed. And there's what's in them. Anyway, here's what we have. Maybe we should play with this. Okay, so it's just a solenoid is all it is. But if I put it in here, you can see how easy it is. But now when I put some voltage to it, I'm going to put 3.5 volts. See what that does. Now, it doesn't want to spin. Undo it. It spins. Put power to it. So what happens, put power to this one, it's going to cause drag, and it's going to want to do that. Put power on this one, it's going to want to do that. So it's putting drag on the wheels. And that's how that works. Go ahead and clean up this motor. This one's a little tricky. And the springs like to come out. That's fine. They can come out. Well, is there multiple in this one? That's interesting. Huh. There's 2 sets of springs on either side. Weird. Okay, I believe it went a big one and then a small one. I wasn't expecting to. Alright, well this one ought to be fun. Because these go over here. You can move them. Hold your finger there. Move those over. Hold those. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come on. Hold it. That seems like a horrible way to do this. Can't do right. There. Okay, that's on. Let's come over here. Okay, I believe that's correct. Yeah, I won't be cleaning one of these again. So this goes in here. This is going to go here. That. And then this either goes this way. Yeah. It goes like that. So it can either connect here or connect there. That's the different speeds. These two prongs have to go either side of that gear so that you can move it back and forth. And this can go back somehow, like that. Now this spring, go ahead and see if I can't tighten the spring up. There we go. That will be tighter. It goes like that. Go like that. Now for this part, I want to spray paint these. I'm going to put some more silver on these. So I get that out. That. Those pop out. Okay, so I can paint that. There we go. Oh, look there. There we go. Pop up. There's a little crack there on that one. Weld that back. There we go. So these gotta go silver. Now about these decals. I've looked online at Chevy Truck and I can't find anything that has any kind of detail like that. Put a black Chevy Truck, that's all you get. It's like black and silver or something. I'm going to try to get these off with a hairdryer. If they come off, I'll recreate them. If they don't, it's just going to be a black truck. Well, heat didn't work very well. Black is beautiful. Alright, I used this stuff. It's not the best stuff, for sure. But you can get it at the store. And it's not too bad. So I went to my hobby store and I got some silver pinstriping. And I've been playing around trying to decide, but I know I want it right here. Clean it with alcohol. I keep trying it in different places. I think less is more. I think I'm just going to go with that. So it's all finished and fixed, and then all of a sudden, this showed up on eBay. The box is in excellent condition, pretty much, except for obvious scratches. It has you get your traffic cones, 5 traffic cones. The truck, look at it. Chrome looks pretty good. Decals look great. The remote. Instructions. And my favorite, of course, a parts list in case you need to buy something. So whatever's wrong with this, I'll just send it off. Look, see? It says right there, when ordering, the model number, name of the item, part number, and part description. Any one of these parts. Also, this one is made in Japan, not Singapore. And look what it has, the different sticker. Singapore version, Japanese version. So what's wrong with it? Yeah, there's actually some pretty bad corrosion here. It's even going up onto this capacitor. There we go. Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. So I love these little trucks. These are fun, and I like my decals way better than these decals. Even though this one is complete, the electronics are just too far gone on this one. But I have an idea, but that's going to be for part 2. But this one is working. Let me show you. So this one is going into my collection, for now at least. I'm probably going to take the electronics out of this one and put it into this one and then redo the electronics on this one, but that's for the next video. Anyway, if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people here. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you this stuff. I could not do any of this stuff without them, and so they make this happen, and so that's why I do it. And so I love doing it, and I love their support. So if you would like to help out, there's a link and all that stuff. Anyway, I thank these people, and I thank you for watching. Wait for part 2. It's coming, I promise.